Pineapple is one of the juiciest and most refreshing fruits, associated with exoticism, sunshine, and summer refreshment. Not only does it taste great, but it also has numerous health benefits, most importantly, aiding weight loss. If you want to shed extra pounds naturally, it is worth incorporating pineapple into your diet because this fruit boosts metabolism, supports digestion, and helps eliminate excess water from the body. What makes pineapple so effective for weight loss? First and foremost, it contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and supports digestion, as well as having anti-inflammatory and anti-swelling properties. By consuming pineapple, you can ease the digestive process, which is crucial for weight loss. Pineapple also contains a high amount of fiber, which supports intestinal peristalsis, prevents constipation, and keeps you feeling full longer. This means that eating pineapple can help you avoid snacking and control your appetite, which is essential for reducing body weight. Another advantage of pineapple is its low-calorie content, as 100 grams of this fruit contains about 50 calories. Additionally, pineapple consists mostly of water, which helps keep the body hydrated and eliminate toxins, which is crucial for detoxification and weight loss. If you want to lose weight, it is important to support your body in eliminating excess water, which often causes bloating and makes you look heavier than you actually are. Pineapple has diuretic properties, meaning it helps remove excess fluids and reduce swelling. Regular consumption of pineapple can make you feel lighter and notice a difference in your waist circumference. Besides that, pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which not only strengthens the immune system but also supports collagen production, improving skin appearance and accelerating wound healing. Vitamin C also has antioxidant properties, meaning it protects the body from free radicals that can accelerate aging processes. It is also worth mentioning that pineapple contains manganese, which is an essential mineral for bone health, metabolism, and energy production in the body. If you lead an active lifestyle and exercise regularly, pineapple can help with muscle recovery after training, because bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties and speeds up the healing of micro-injuries that occur during intense physical activity. Consuming pineapple is also a great way to improve your mood because it contains serotonin, the happiness hormone, which can help combat stress and enhance well-being. It is important to remember that a weight loss diet often involves restrictions, and pineapple, thanks to its sweet taste, can be a healthy alternative to sweets and help satisfy cravings without unnecessary calories. If you want to include pineapple in your diet in a tasty and healthy way, a great idea is to prepare a nutritious smoothie that provides essential vitamins and nutrients while being light and low in calories. Here is a simple recipe for a delicious and refreshing weight loss smoothie with pineapple. Simply prepare 1 cup of fresh pineapple cut into cubes, 1 medium banana, half a cup of plant-based milk or coconut water, and the juice of half a lime. Blend all ingredients in a blender until smooth, and if you prefer a more refreshing drink, you can add a few ice cubes. This smoothie not only tastes great but also hydrates the body, supports digestion, and provides energy for the whole day. If you want to add even more nutritional value, you can throw in a handful of spinach or a teaspoon of chia seeds, which further increase satiety and provide valuable omega-3 fatty acids. Pineapple is a fruit worth including in your diet not only because of its flavor but also for its numerous health benefits. It supports weight loss, improves digestion, has diuretic properties, and provides essential nutrients that support the body on many levels. If you are looking for a natural way to reduce body weight while enjoying a delicious taste, pineapple will be an excellent choice.